In today's video, we'll talk about Autopilot device preparation and a couple of other things you may want to configure along the way, so please do watch until the end. Now, some people are referring to device preparation as Autopilot V2. I do think Microsoft have made a good start attempting to make the enrollment process a bit easier, but I think in its current state, it's not quite there replacing traditional Autopilot just yet. Now with traditional Autopilot, you pre-import device using the hardware hash, essentially telling Intune that it's a corporate device before it's even enrolled. With device preparation, the enrollment is more user-based, which eliminates any need to import hardware hashes. There are pros and cons to using device preparation, which we'll get into during the video. Prerequisites before we set up Autopilot device preparation, the first thing we need to setting up required groups for deployment do is create a couple of groups. We need a user group and a device group. Creating a user group is pretty straightforward. Create a device group and add the user creating a device group is also pretty straightforward. But under membership type, we don't need to add any members in. Where we do need to add a specific owner named as provisioning client. Device preparation policy. So once the group's created, let's create device preparation policy. To do this, we will select devices, then enrollment. We will select device preparation policies, then we'll ponder as. Select create. There's a short introduction if you want to read you can, but for the purposes of demo, I'm going to select next. Under basis, we'll give it a name. So we'll call it Autopilot Device Preparation Policy, then select Next. Under Configuration Setting Deployment Mode, we've got the option of user-driven, nothing more. Deployments type, we've got the option of single user again, nothing more. And on the join type, we've literally got Microsoft Entra joined with no hybrid options there. Under user account type, we've got standard user or administrator, we can switch it on or off. Under minutes allowed before showing installation error default is 60. We change it to whatever we want. So it was customer message. You can put anything in there that you like. If you've got phone numbers for your IT support team, you can put those in here. Allow users to skip setup after multiple attempts. I'm going to switch that off and show links diagnostics. I'll leave that switched on. So we can have the policy install apps for us as well. Like it says here, the apps have to be deployed to the device groups to begin with. If you have got any PowerShell scripts, you can deploy them as well. Scope tags will skip through this and under assignments. This is the user group we previously created. So we'll select Autopilot Device Preparation User. Select Next, and then save on that. Now let's discuss on the new Indy user experience with Autopilot version 2. As we have the new device powered on. Choose your preferred keyboard layout or opt for the default setting by skipping this step. Review and accept the updated license agreement, which is changed from version 1 to version BI. 2. This step allows you to name your device, but it can be skipped. It was not included in version 1. Decide whether to set up a personal or work/school account. Select Setup Work or School Account, click Next. Input your organizational username and password, then proceed by clicking Next. In version 2, you will see a new progress screen indicating the percentage of setup completion. A message will appear confirming that the required setup is finished. Click Next to continue. Privacy Settings Selection. Review and accept the privacy settings for your device to finalize the setup. This revised process enhances user experience while incorporating significant improvements in version 2. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content.